I'm going to be using sage, thyme, and lavender, all grown from my garden. Okay, so I'm using Velcro ties, typically used to hold wires and technology, but I'm using it to hold this for me while I tie it with string. So we do it like this. And then you can pull it through the hole as tight as you'd like. It is Velcro, so it is sticky. Okay. So I got one there. I'll put one on this end and one on the other end. Here and here. And that should be adequate. Tighten that up. Or so I think. There we go. Alright. So now the Velcro ties will hold it for me while I tie it with the string. And the gloves are for whenever I'm pulling on the string to tighten it so it doesn't hurt my fingers, because I think I have a little bit of neuropathy as well, which makes it really painful when I'm trying to tie with really thin string. So now I just do this, and the Velcro is holding it for me while I tie it. And then what I'll do is I'll tie it in different spots down the length. Then I'll take the Velcro off, and then I'll do a nice little wrap. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one in the middle in order to start tying it. Got it on there really well, so I'm not cutting it. We're trying to use, well, okay, I loosened it up. Okay, so now you can hear the baby birds nearby. Now I'm going to tie it in the middle. And see, I can pull that string really tight wearing the gloves, and it does not hurt my fingers. It's just a little challenging to try to tie it. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Velcro off and then just wrap it. And I will do this all the way down the length of the smudge stick. I like to do a double knot. Okay, and there you have it. I finished tying it off. Now, if you really have really bad neuropathy or really bad arthritis, you could always keep the gloves on even during the final wrapping and tying process. I just need the gloves and the help of the Velcro for the first part, where I'm tying it really tight along the length. After that, I can take the gloves off, wrap, tie, wrap, and tie as a pattern down it. And then it's just a matter of letting it dry before you use it.